Our girls are waiting to hear from you. Pick up the phone and call now to make all your dreams come true.
Bangladesh, bang the biz. Yeah, show enough. CIA. Let's go. Call me up, hotline. I got some conversation. I can be your operator, baby. You should call me later, baby. So fine, yeah. I hope that you're not playing, 'cause I'm loving what you're saying, baby. Don't you keep me waiting.
Alo, šta je ovo? Ko zove? A ne mogu doći, moram još da spremim sve ovdje. Yes, yes, I love you too and I will call you back.
Zovem tu, broj je zauzet. Zašto neće da se javi, ne pada joj na pamet.
A on tu, znam da pijanje. Kojoj sada pričaš priče, ajde ne nerviraj me. Ne, ja nisam kao sve, ja nisam kao sve. Ne, ja bi s tobom sve, a ti si zauzet.
Dit is 2.0 man, hou op. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. But I know you need to get done if you come. Sorry for my best friend. I got niggas trying to end me off. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, how many more shots until you're rolling?
Thank you so much.